Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So today I'm just going to give you a quick flip through of my new papers, which is called Roses and Collage, and I'm also going to show you what I've actually made with it, just to give you an idea. So this is really pretty page. It's very sort of like muted colours on there, and we all love roses, and I think they sort of like blend in with quite a few pretty little projects. It's very shabby. So it's nice to add bits of lace and pretty trims to it as well. So I think they're absolutely gorgeous, really lovely. We've got 14 pages in here. Lovely music one. Love the roses down the side. I think it looks really lovely. A couple of backing pages here, which are nice. And then again, what I normally do is pop them, sort of shrink them down into sort of like postcard size, and these are really good for making little mini journals as well. So you've got lots of little mini journal covers on there, which are really lovely too. So we've got 2 pages of those, and then we've got 2 pages of beautiful embellishments. So we've got a couple of pockets here. Well, we've got 6 pockets there. We've got a couple of belly bands. We've got some little page tabs here, 2 different ones, and some little mini tickets. And on this one we've got a couple more belly bands, because I think these are absolutely lovely, really nice. I'll show you what I did with those. Some tags, some little plaques, some more little tags, some belly bands, and some little circles on here. So I think they're really pretty. Love this kit. This is what I have made. So this is just like one of my little pocket packs that I make. Well, quite a big pocket pack actually. Let me just measure it. I think it was 12, just under 12, so it's about 11.5 inches by about 8 inches. So I think it's lovely. So we've got a pocket on the front here, which I've got 4 of the postcards in, like this, which are great making little journal cards, or if you wanted to send a little note to somebody. Nice. We've got the little tickets in here hanging off. We've got the little plaque, and I popped some seam binding and some lace under there. A little bit of cheesecloth, some lace, some of the little trim here. So it looks really pretty, and I've just edged most of it with seam binding and lace, and I think it looks really pretty. Closure is a piece of seam binding, which is been coffee stained actually. So it opens up. On this side I've got 2 pockets, and I've used the little tabs on here on index cards, so you can just write on the index cards there, which are lovely. They pop in there. And then the smaller little tabs I popped on the smaller index cards, so you've got some lovely little writing spaces on there. And then in the middle one I've got a little dingly dangly tag there. We've got a little pocket with some seam binding and lace. I've made 2 little letters here with a little bit of this at the top, which is nice. Extra little bit of writing space. On this side here I've got 2 of the little pockets, which I've popped on. I've got a little bit of lace down here, and I've got some dingly danglies on these ones, so they just pop in there like that. And then this opens up or flips over, and then we've got another little pocket here with a tag in it. On here I've got some vintage lace on here as a little pocket like that, and 4 of the other little journaling cards, little postcards. Oh, can you hear my dogs downstairs? And then we flip that back over, and then that just, oopsie daisy, that just does up like that into a little bow. So that's the closure, and then I'll turn it over, and then I've got a big pocket in the back, and then I've got some little dingly danglies down here, which look really lovely. I've sewn around them on these. This is the like belly band, and I think it looks really lovely. And also I popped it on the top of the pocket here, which gives it a really nice look. So pretty. And then we've got a nice big journal in here, so it's a nice big pocket there. So this is a journal, just a plain one with some assorted pages in there. We've got 30 pages, so that's 60 front and back. Look at that paper, it's gorgeous. And then for the signature, I sewed it in, but I've actually added some beads because I thought that looked really pretty on there. So as it's sitting in the folder like that, you can see the top, so you've got a nice little line of beads on there. So I thought that looked really pretty. So there we go, guys. That gives you a little idea of what to make with it, or what I've made with it. So I hope you like it. So there we are. So these are the papers. So please pop over to the Etsy shop and have a look. So thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you soon. Alright guys, take care. Bye bye.